Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sign up or log in. Save your chat history, share chats, and personalize your experience. In Python, the datetime module provides functionalities to work with dates and times. Sometimes, you might need to remove the hour, minute, and second components from a datetime object. This tutorial will guide you through various methods to achieve this using Python code examples. This method involves combining the date part of the datetime object with a time component having zeros for hours, minutes, and seconds. Another approach is to create a new datetime object by replacing the hour, minute, and second components with zeros. This method involves converting the datetime object to a string without the time components and then parsing it back to a datetime object. In this tutorial, you've learned different methods to remove the hour, minute, and second components from a datetime object in Python. You can choose any of these methods based on your preference and requirements. Experiment with these examples to get a better understanding of datetime manipulation in Python.